Welcome aboard the Disneyland Omnibus. My name is Andres, and I'll be taking you on a one-way trip down Main Street to Sleeping Beauty's castle. As we depart, remain seated, keep those hands on the sweet legs inside the bus at all times, and signify little ones. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights, sound, and smells of Main Street. On the right-hand side, we have the Disneyland Band performing. And we're going to invite our guests to really take a listen. We imagine Main Street, U.S.A., which is based off of Walt Disney's hometown of Marceline, Missouri. On the left, you have the Plaza Point Holiday Shop, where you can purchase holiday items year-round. You can also get your items engraved by an artist in store. Across the street, we have the Penny Arcade, where you can purchase a sweet treat for your sweet ones. On the right-hand side, we have the Carnation Cafe, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Across the street, we have the Market House, where you can pick up a pick-me-up for your visit, serving freshly brewed Starbucks coffee and tea. Further down that left-hand side, you'll find lockers, where you can store away personal items during your visit. Across the street, we have the Disneyland Emporium, the biggest store here in Disneyland Park. We're now approaching our stopover by Town Square. As we do, just please remain seated until the bus comes to a complete stop. When it does come to a complete stop and the engine is turned off, go ahead and watch your step and use those handles as you exit. My name is Andres, and it's been a pleasure having you aboard the Disneyland Omnibus.